we're going to be replacing the outside door handle on this E36. We just got finished replacing the one on the other door. We're going to go ahead and start with taking off this trim panel. Take a screwdriver, flathead, pop this trim panel out. Be careful not to break these clips on the inside right here. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the speaker. Okay, peel the protection back. There's going to be this little window channel that you're going to have to remove. I think it's 10 millimeter. Yep, 10 millimeter. Okay, side. Careful not to scratch the paint. There you go. Go put that aside. There's a rubber ring. Now the only other thing that's holding this handle inside is this thing here, which exposes the pin. On the inside, I don't know if you can see it, right there. What you're going to want to do is slide this pin over that little nut. Now this pin comes out on the other side. There you go. Now you can see the handle is pretty much free to move. You can use your torque bit to hit these 3 screws that hold the latch on. It's a lot easier to do this by actually taking off the interior door handle. Go ahead and hit it with a torque here. Okay. And slide it over, across. There we go. There's no certain way to take this latch and the handle out. You're gonna have to play with it a little bit from right here. Go on the other side and push. There you go. There you go. Here's the old outside door assembly, door handle assembly. The culprit always is this lever right here that attaches right here. And another thing you're going to notice is your replacement door handle is going to have this weird plug that doesn't even plug in directly. See, it doesn't match. It's got a rounded piece here, squared off. So, but don't worry, that's very normal. What you're going to do is you're going to unclip this right here, right there, and these wires are going to be able to come out freely. You're going to take the old plug, transfer it over. See this little clip here, this little white clip. This little white clip goes to this pin right here. This pin is going to go in through this clip and attach right here to the back of this lock. So whenever you turn the key, it's going to lift or push down on this thing to lock and unlock your latch. Okay, next, which is probably the most crucial part, is this little arm with that hook on the end on the new door assembly, the handle assembly. You're going to want to aim that right there on the top of the latch. You want to fit it inside that little groove. A quick tip, what some people do is remove this little thing right here so you get a little better vision. Basically, the reinstallation process is the reverse of the removal process. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back inside. So I got this thing held in, and I got that little lever into that groove on the latch. So let's go ahead and test it. Now that thing's back together, the only thing left is put the trim panel back on and all the rest of the components. Okay, so the interior trim is back in, along with all the screws and components on the door. Let's give it a try. There you go.